Hi everyone, welcome to MuseThemes.com. My name is Steve Harris, and today we're looking at Show. Now, Show is a responsive video suite. So it's a package of tools that enable you to do really great things with videos in the new responsive Muse. So taking a look at the demo on screen here, we actually have three different components to this widget. We have a player, we have a gallery, and then a background video component. So the one that I have up right now is the player. And I have a Vimeo video included, but you can include YouTube, Facebook, or self-hosted or externally hosted videos. So you can see if I play the video and I scale the browser down, it responds both vertically and horizontally. So it's the width and the height is proportionately scaling. And right around there, we've added a new breakpoint, and you can see that the widget has been repositioned to be full width, and we could play it then as well. So this is the perfect kind of baseline player for you to add videos to your site. Now, if I go to the gallery demo, we have this nice full width 2-column gallery. As I scale it down, the gallery shrinks, it's fully responsive. And if I play one of these videos, it opens in this really nice light box gallery effect. So I'm going to pause that video for a sec and tour you through this. So on the top, we have some controls. We can go full screen with this gallery, just like that. And let me shrink that again. We can close out of it. We can actually advance left and right through the videos that we have in this gallery using the arrows. We can turn on and off the thumbnails in the bottom right corner, and we can select a new thumbnail and of course play that video. So the great thing about this is it also supports all of those video options I mentioned before. You can self-host or you can use third-party hosts like Vimeo or YouTube. And let's have a look at the last component. This is the background videos one. So background videos have been around in Muse for a long time, but nothing like this. So you can use YouTube or self-host them. They scale down beautifully, and there's actually a trick to applying these to graphic styles, which is something really unique for Muse. So the Show Responsive Video Suite is a great package of tools for you to achieve responsive video in Muse. In my next video, I'll run through how to set up each different component of the gallery, and you can get started with video in your responsive site.